Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using this tool. Today, we're exploring WealthTrace, a financial planning software found at www.wealthtrace.com. This platform provides a robust set of tools designed to help you project and manage your financial future. WealthTrace offers a comprehensive approach to financial planning, allowing users to model various scenarios and understand their potential impact on long-term goals like retirement. One of the key features of WealthTrace is its detailed analysis capabilities. It delves into aspects such as investment performance, taxes, social security benefits, and other income streams, offering a granular view of your financial health. This detailed analysis can be instrumental in making informed decisions about your savings and investment strategies. The platform's interface aims for user-friendliness, striving to make complex financial planning accessible to a broader audience. While the intricacies of financial planning can be daunting, WealthTrace attempts to simplify the process through visual representations and clear explanations. This approach empowers users to take control of their financial future without requiring extensive financial expertise. Furthermore, WealthTrace offers the ability to customize your plan based on individual circumstances and goals. Whether you're planning for retirement, saving for a down payment, or managing an inheritance, WealthTrace allows you to tailor projections to your specific needs. This customization ensures that the financial plan you develop is relevant and actionable. Another notable aspect of WealthTrace is its focus on retirement planning. The platform allows you to model various retirement scenarios, considering factors like inflation, market volatility, and longevity. By understanding the potential impact of these factors, you can make more informed decisions about your retirement savings and withdrawal strategies. Additionally, WealthTrace provides insights into tax implications, helping users optimize their strategies for minimizing tax burdens during retirement. Beyond retirement planning, WealthTrace offers tools for managing other financial aspects, including education planning and estate planning. The platform's comprehensive approach allows you to develop a holistic financial plan, addressing various life stages and goals. For those seeking a powerful and detailed financial planning tool, WealthTrace may be a valuable resource to consider. Remember to check out the link in the description below.